Hello everyone, it's Adam, also known as Depthor, and I'm going to show you how to set up your environment for WASM and ink smart contracts on Edgeware. So first thing, pull up the documentation and follow along. Link is in the description, and have your terminal open. First thing that we need to do is install Rust up so you can use Substrate on your computer. So this is the first command. You'll enter. And basically what you're looking for through this whole exercise is you don't want to see any errors. Warnings are okay, but not ideal, but most of the time it's fine. Now we're going to put in Toolchain Stable. And mine is going to look a bit different from yours if you're doing it for the first time, because I've done all these already. And you want to put each of these in one at a time. Cool. So now we're going to install the ink command line utility, which makes setting up Substrate smart contract projects easier. This part may take a while, depending on your computer. This is all sped up, believe it or not. All right, now that's done. We'll just do a quick test to make sure everything is good to go. So take cargo contract -- help. And after you put that in, you should get this. And if you can see this, then everything should be good to go. And you can go on to creating an ink project. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. You can follow us on Twitter and join our Discord server. Links are in the description.